Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Jeep Compass. Start by getting comfortable in the driver's seat, adjusting it along with your mirrors for a clear view. Take a moment to locate the essential controls like the steering wheel, pedals, and gear shifter. Understanding these foundational elements is crucial before you even turn the key. This initial setup ensures both your safety and a smooth driving experience. Once seated, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. If your compass has a key, insert and turn it. For push-button start, simply press the button. Select Drive for forward motion or Reverse for backing up. Release the parking brake, then gently apply pressure to the accelerator pedal to smoothly begin your journey. Your Jeep Compass offers advanced features to enhance your drive. The Select Terrain system allows you to optimize performance for snow, sand, mud, or rock. For tougher conditions, engage four-wheel drive. On highways, cruise control helps maintain a consistent speed, reducing driver fatigue. These tools provide greater control and confidence in diverse environments. When parking, use your mirrors and surroundings to guide you into the space. Once positioned, shift the gear selector into park and always engage the parking brake for added security. Finally, turn off the engine and remove the key or press the stop button. This ensures your compass is safely secured until your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.